Good morning. It's very early in the morning right now, and I'm enthusiastic about sewing some shopping bags. Okay, I used to do rag rugs for a few years, and I sold them. My buyers were mostly from America, Australia, Singapore, and I think that is about it. So I had gathered a lot of cloth sheets, but what happened was the light colored ones were not selling, so I kept it. Now here I am making bags. Why am I making bags? For Penang. These are shopping bags. Okay, so this used to be a whitish curtain, so I made three from one panel of the third one is somewhere. I should have three. So then I took blue color sheets and I made four. Here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and yesterday I did this one. It is from a comforter cover. It's king size maybe, so I can get a lot of bags from this. Okay, so why am I making bags? When we were in Penang, many were using plastic bags, and I was thinking, how about if I sold cloth bags and gave it away free to anybody who might be interested to switch over to a cloth bag. I mean, reusable, rewashable, and I think it can carry a lot of stuff. So if I can bless one person with one bag, I'll be happy. So if you are interested to know how I did it, I'm not a professional seamstress, so I just did the simplest way I could think of. So I'll give you the measurements. So I've cut panels of cloth yesterday. I actually tore. I cut a snip in the material and I just tore, like so. So the top is 56 cm or 22 inches. Okay, this is for the top, and here I've got for the length I've got 39 inches or 99 cm, about 100 cm is good enough. So I need to find for the handle that I cut. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I cut for the handles. I measured 12 cm and the length was 60 cm. So what I do is can you?
Yeah.
I do a snip and then I just, see, this is 60 cm. That will be one handle. do another one. You need to come here, Alex. Okay, hi. So what I basically do is I start with the handle first. I have got two pieces and one piece for the bag. So I fold it into two. And I do it this way. Fold it. I fold the same all the way till I have a strip like this, and then I stitch it up. So stitch it up. Do it this way. I'll show you the other side. Turn it around and then do the other one. So I've got my two handles sewn. What I did was I folded my piece of cloth. It was 12 cm by 60 cm length, and I folded it into 4 pieces and I stitched on one side and the other side. So I've got 2 pieces now. So I'm not doing a bag with lining, so it's just a simple shopping bag. So what I do is I fold in 2 cm here and fold one more time, all the way. So before I stitch, what I do is I fold it into two and get the mark for center point. I get the center point and I measure 7.5 cm. 7.5 cm is 3 inches. You can do any measurement that you want, 7.5. 7.5. This is where the handles will sit. So what I do is I take one of the handles, I place it inside, make sure it doesn't twist. See? And the other one at the 7.5 cm away from the center point. So I will stitch a whole line at the base this way, and then what I do is I flip it over and I stitch a second line from there, from the beginning right up to the end. I'll show you as I go along. Okay? So this is how you go. I've sewn the bottom part here, and I'm going to go over. Sorry for the noise. Oh, it's too noisy. So I will reinforce it by stitching on this top part, and fold this part nicely and stitch it here. So it has 2 times stitch and it is secure. Stitch it all the way, and I'll finish on the other side and get back to you once I'm done. Okay. So I've finished both sides. What I did was sewed the beginning, this way, and finished the whole edge, and then I went back to do on the upper edge with this thing folded up, so it has reinforced about twice. Now if you wish to put a cross, go ahead and do it. So I've got this piece now, and I'm gonna sew the edge. Pin it and sew 1 cm or 1.5 if you wish. I did 1 cm. That's about
quarter of an inch.
Yeah. So sew the entire row till the edge, both sides, and what I did was I zigzagged the edges. So I'll finish sewing and show it to you. Okay, I've sewn 2 of the edges, and this is how I did it. I measured 1 cm and I stitched a straight line down right to the base, and then I went over with zigzag. If I were doing with a lining, then I wouldn't have done the zigzag. like I said, this is to give away to anybody in Penang who's interested in it, in having a cloth bag. So I'm gonna sew the box in for the base. I learned from somebody on YouTube about using this triangle. I think it was an amazing idea. So anyway, from the edge, I measure 5.5, and it's here, 5.5, and draw a line. And stitch all the way from here to here, and also do the other side, and there you are. I'll finish stitching and I'll show it to you, my finished product. It took less than an hour. So I finished sewing the edge, 5.5 cm from the edge, from the corner, and start here, back stitch, sew, and then back stitch here again, and look, it's done. Here is my finished product and the base. I'm dedicating this tutorial for a very simple shopping bag to my friend Gina. She is located in Tennessee, and I hope, Gina, that you will make a shopping bag for yourself using your most favorite color, and when you're done, please post me a photo. And I hope all of you enjoyed this tutorial. It was very simple. It's just a one layer, and it's for shopping, marketing. You know, the good thing is you can reuse. You save on plastic. I'm not terribly anti plastic, but look, when I was in when my husband and we were holidaying in Lanka, I picked up 2 kilos of plastic from the seashore, and I was thinking that is just too much of litter. And of course we hope to go back again to enjoy the sea and the sand and the sun, but this plastic thing is something I would love to keep on picking, and do my little bit to keep the country or the shore a little bit cleaner. So Gina, this is for you. Please get back to me after you've sewn your bag. I'm excited. Okay, bye bye.